Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the CBS Fantasy Sports app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the CBS Fantasy app. If it's not work for you, then you have to follow this instruction. So right here you have to press and hold it into the app. Just click on this I button. Okay. And then here you have to scroll down and see for the storage option. Just click on there. Then you have to click on this clear data and delete the data. Okay, then you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not, you have to check for the update. Just go to the Google search bar and you have to search for the CBS sport apps. Okay, so here we can see sports fantasy app CBS. So here we can just, like, if updated level, you can update it and use it. After that it will be not fixed for you, then you have to uh, reinstall it and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.